Hey guys, Janet here with Strange RV Tours, doing a review of this Texarkana RV Park in Texarkana off the Highway 59. Passport America, pay cash $20 a night. Credit card is $25. They do take Good Sam's, and so normally $40. But anyway, I'll show you around, tell you more about it. This is where you check in. They have an after-hours phone number. And they don't give you a gate code. You use a phone number. You just push the phone number and it opens any time of the day. And Tammy was working on the weekends, got us in here. And Dana is working during the weekday, and she was helping us out. And we stayed an extra day just because it's nice, and we have family here, so we wanted to see family. This is a really nice pool. It's kept up great. It's got a little play area for kids in the back. We're in A6, and there is actually 96 spots, different sections, A, B, C, something like that, and 4 cabins actually. And I think the cabins are $75 a night. We paid $20 a night, Passport America. They do take Good Sam's. Regular price is $40. But another swing set area. Access around the back side of it. Little kids. That's our space. And they've had people coming and going in these spaces every day. Nice little play area. Swing, regular swings, kiddie swings. And I walk Max around here. Greg likes to walk Max around the pond. We feed the ducks with bread. And they like to, yeah, you can hear them already. They'll come for you. They want food. They have, see, here they come already. Thinking, no, I don't have nothing, baby. It's a beautiful day. Here's the little Indian statue. The dog holding a pole, fishing pole. Yeah, those silos. They got cute little bird baths around. Little pretty little things. Little donkey pulling a cart there. Here's a Daniel Boone looking guy. Isn't that cool? Isn't he cool? Hey there, buddy. Carrying his gun, his knife. Isn't this nice? You can walk out on the dock. They got soda machines in the office. They sell pizza and corn dogs if you want them. There's the dumpster. So on down here we have the restrooms, the showers, laundry room, game room, little event center. All right, yeah, they have some artwork. They have them throughout the park, different little things. Yeah, it's cute. Hey, little turtles. Stuff like that. There's some restrooms on the other side. 3 restrooms, showers. There's 3 on this side, so there's 6. But they're really nice. Clean and they look well kept. Everything's really well kept here. Except for that, I don't know what that is. Yeah. And the clubhouse. See, they have all these little things around. Just makes it feel special, more homey. Yeah, they have a nice big clubhouse here. Turn on the lights. Like a little dance floor, stage, little kitchen, seating area with TV, you know, little organs, piano, and artwork. But seems like you could have a good little get-together here. Big fire pit back here. And here's the doggy park. Yeah. I walked Max down here. It's a good little walk. There's a little like playhouse with bunk beds, you know. Be fun for kids to keep them busy. Barbecue. The laundry room. Couple more soda machines. No snacks. Yeah, I thought it was 2 soda machines. Didn't bring any money. Ah, Nutty Buddy sounds good. Nutty Buddy, I haven't one of those in a long time. And they have a change machine. That's a biggie for me, because I never have change. It's $1.50 washed and $1.50 dry. They look like they're in really good shape. And this comes in handy, because I don't carry a basket for my laundry. No room in the closet for a basket. Anyway. Alright. And anyway, that's really nice facility. And girls been helpful. And I think the owner asked us how we liked everything. I said, well, everything's great. No problems with the electricity. No, we got free cable, free Wi-Fi. You know, the weather's beautiful. That's why we stayed an extra day. And we're going to go ahead and see my niece, great niece, and her husband, and great nephews today in just a little bit. So, all right, just look around. Just another look over here. See that little calf over here? When I was walking Max, he started barking at it. Looks real. Yeah. Isn't it cute? So cute. And See, more artwork. But this is really cool. We had a good time here. We went to a brewery last night. It was Redbone Magic Brewery, and they had some really great beer, and the place is awesome. Yeah, if you come out, you gotta hit that place for sure. Debbie and her husband, they're just great people, and they've only been open not even a year, but oh, it's a cool place, cool place. All right, guys. Well, here I am with Daniel Boone and his coonskin hat, which I had one of those when I was a kid. I was a tomboy, you know. I did that kind of thing. Mine didn't have the little head on it though. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like. If you like what we do and all the stuff, you know, subscribe. Hit the little bell for notifications and share if you could. The more you share, the more it helps us out. All right? Y'all take care. Bye.